Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video I will explain how to change back and home button in Samsung. For change your navigation bar like this, you can open your system setting of Samsung phone and then choose a display setting, and then you can see navigation bar, manage home, back and recent button, or use gesture for more screen space like this. If you want change position of button or navigation button, you can tap here. You can tap to swipe gesture to full screen like this. You use Samsung phone like iPhone. If you want to use button, tap to button and change the back button or home button like this. Thank you for watching my video.